Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're going to teach you Python.
Today we're going to learn about dictionaries in Python. So first we have mob equals, then curly brackets. So mob is the dictionary's name. Then we have the key, then the value. So we have 3 keys and 3 values. Name, so the name is wither, then hearts 500 and enemies. Then there's a list with players, sand, and mobs. So this is a dictionary. So dictionaries values can have integers, strings, and lists. Now we're going to print mob to see how a dictionary looks when we print it. So now I did name, wither, hearts 500, enemies, then the list, players, sand, and mobs. So printed the key, then the value. Okay, next we're going to do print mob name. So name is a key. So when we do this, we get the name key, and it will print the value, which is wither. So now I printed wither. Next we're going to do print mob.getColor. So we're going to see what happens if we try to get a key that does not exist. So it did none because there is no color key in the mob dictionary.
Ooh.
Next we're going to do print mob.getColor. Then the default value is not found. So we're going to save it and do this. So it did not found because we did the default value. Then we're going to do mob name equals ender dragon. Then we're going to print mob.getName. So here we're changing the value of the name key. So before it was wither, now we're changing it to ender dragon. So now let's see if it worked successfully. So we used the key again and it did ender dragon, which means we changed the name value successfully. Next we're going to do mob color equals black. Then we're going to print mob.getColor. So mob color equals black is how we add a new key and value. So it did black because we successfully added the key and value. Next we're going to do print mob. Oops, let me save it. So it did this. So it added the color black, and the name value is still ender dragon. Next we're going to do mob.update. So with this we can update the key and values. So here we change the hearts value to 700 instead of 500. Now we're going to print mob. So now its hearts changed from 500 from the last time we run it now to 700. Next we're going to do del mob enemies. Then we're going to print mob. So del is basically delete. So here we're deleting the value and the key enemies. So now we're going to save it. And print mob. So now there is no the enemies on the list.
Ooh, so cool.
Then we're going to print hearts.mob pop hearts. Then we're going to print mob. So pop is basically delete, but it will also return the value. So now we're going to save it. So did name equals ender dragon and color black. So now there's no hearts.
Hearts.
Then we're going to print hearts. Then did 700. So the pop returned the value.
So delete is different from pop.
Yeah, so now we're going to print len mob. So the link function, here when we use it on the dictionary, it will show us the number of pairs of keys and values. So it did 2 because now there are only 2 more pairs of keys and values. So next we're going to print mob.keys. So the keys function will show us the keys that are in the mob dictionary. So now there are keys, which are dictionary keys, name, and color. So there are only 2 keys left. Then we're going to print mob.values. This is just like the keys function, except it will show us the values inside the dictionary. So now I did dict values, ender dragon, and black. So there are still 2 values. Then we're going to print mob.items. So the items function will show us the remaining pairs of values and keys. So did dict items, name, ender dragon, and then color and black. So it's the keys and values. Next we're going to do a for statement. So for each key in the mob dictionary, we're going to print the key. So now I did name and color because those are the remaining keys. Then we're going to do that same, except we're going to print the keys and values in the mob.items. So now it did name, Ender Dragon, and then color black.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.